Something that I've learned today is definitely that anything is possible. Going against the old idea that women and girls don't belong in roles of leadership. Girls do belong here. Girls can achieve greatness. Girls can live up to their full potential.
I've really enjoyed the day. I think doing things like this gives me and IKEA a chance to share but also learn. We talked a little bit about gender equality being important at IKEA and also exploring more ways to include more people.
Welcome everyone. It's my distinct pleasure to introduce Taylor. Taylor is actually the CEO of IKEA Canada today. So far so good.
Female empowerment is really about giving girls a chance. We give them the chance to lead and be able to learn how to achieve their dreams, learn how to keep going and be ambitious people, and also the chance to inspire.
Our leadership culture here. We're at our best when we can be ourselves. We're at our best when we're in this together. And we're at our best when we actually believe that when we're really working well together, we can do anything. And when I speak from that perspective and then I listen to you, I think we have a common ground.
So I just finished a little presentation about female empowerment. Being able to speak in front of everybody and people saying I did so well and being able to be like confident in myself about that is just like, I am so grateful to be here and I really hope programs like this continue.
And my last question, if you had any advice for me or for us, what would that be?
I really admired that through what you're doing, you're always trying to adapt and change to the world around you. So it's just continuing to do that, continuing to be creative and find new ways to adapt, and also just to make sure that women and girls are part of that process. So I'm just finishing up my day today. We started off in Kleinburg and now we're at the Burlington location. And it's just been a really great experience to see how much people love it here, how much inspiration can come from a program like this. It's been a really amazing day. It's really changed my life in a lot of ways that I didn't really expect.